A well-structured audit starts with a clear plan and a detailed checklist. These tools ensure the audit process is organized, efficient, and thorough. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What an audit plan is and why it matters. 2. Steps to develop an effective audit plan. 3. Creating a comprehensive audit checklist. By following these steps, auditors can streamline the process, reduce errors, and ensure all critical areas are reviewed. 1. What is an audit plan and why does it matter? An audit plan is a structured document that outlines the scope, objectives, timeline, and methodology of an audit. It serves as a roadmap to ensure all audit activities are well coordinated and aligned with business goals. Key components of an audit plan. Audit objectives. What are the main goals? Compliance verification, process improvement. Scope of the audit. What areas, departments, or processes will be reviewed? Audit criteria. What standards or regulations apply, e.g. ISO 9001, IATF 949, AS 9100. Audit team members. Who will conduct the audit? Internal or external auditors. Timeline and schedule. How long will the audit take? What are the key deadlines? Methodology. What techniques will be used, e.g. document review, interviews, sampling. 2 steps to develop an effective audit plan. Developing an audit plan requires careful preparation and collaboration. Here's a step-by-step approach. Step 1. Define the audit scope and objectives. Identify what needs to be audited, e.g. a production process, a supplier, or an entire management system. Determine audit objectives. Are you checking for regulatory compliance or process efficiency? Step 2. Gather relevant documents and standards. Review company policies, past audit reports, industry standards, ISO 9001, IATF 6949, FDA, GMP, etc. Collect process maps, procedures, and performance records. Step 3. Assemble the audit team. Choose experienced auditors with relevant industry knowledge. Assign roles and responsibilities to ensure balanced coverage. Step 4. Set the audit schedule. Establish start and end dates, considering availability of key personnel. Plan on-site and remote audit activities if necessary. Step 5. Prepare an audit checklist. Develop a structured checklist covering all critical compliance areas. Ensure checklist items are clear, measurable, and relevant. 3. Creating a comprehensive audit checklist. An audit checklist is a structured tool that helps auditors verify compliance, identify risks, and ensure nothing is overlooked. Key elements of an effective audit checklist. Clear and specific questions. Avoid vague or general items. Objective criteria for evaluation. Use industry standards and company policies as references. Space for notes and findings. Document observations, nonconformities, and corrective actions. Key takeaways. An audit plan defines objectives, scope, and methodology, ensuring a structured audit process. A well-developed audit checklist helps auditors cover all critical areas systematically. Following a clear audit plan and checklist improves accuracy, efficiency, and compliance. By implementing these best practices, auditors can conduct thorough and effective audits while helping organizations enhance quality and meet industry standards. In the next lesson, we'll explore risk-based auditing and how to prioritize high-impact areas.